Okay, good afternoon, students.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, today we will discuss on the topic of sensory system or sensory organs. It's from your anatomy chapter itself. Okay, so by hearing the word sensory system or sensory organs, what comes to your mind? Just by hearing the name itself, sensory system or sensory organs. Okay, Bandrilin, can you tell me what comes to your mind when you hear the word sensory organs or sensory system? What comes to your mind? Bandrilin? Yes, Bandrilin, can you tell me? What comes to your mind? Okay, Dynasty, can you tell me what comes to your mind when we speak about this sensory organs or sensory system? What comes to your mind, Dynasty? Yes. Okay, Jondeep, can you tell me what comes to your mind?
The sense organs,
The sense
skin,
organs, like? Yes, like?
like eye, ear,
Yes, eyes through which we can see, nose through which we can smell. Okay, ears through which we can hear, mouth or tongue through which we can taste, skin through which we can feel the touch. Okay, today we will be discussing about the different parts of your sensory system or sensory organs. Okay, okay. So in the nervous system, I've already taught you, no? The nervous system means what? The nervous system is through which, like, you feel a nerve impulse. You remember, not synapse? You remember or not? Synapse or synapse. Yes? Do you remember, Hasina? Do you remember, Kajal? Do you remember synapse? Yes? Do you remember?
No, ma'am.
No, why? Synapse means what? Do you remember? Kintiu, do you remember synapse? Okay, Sachi, do you remember synapse? What happens? Sachi? Sachi? Sachi?
Hello?
Yes, do you remember?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? Why you all are not studying or what? Means in the nervous system, there is synapse. Okay, synapse means what? Through which the nerves connect. Okay, the nerves means the neurons, they connect. Do you remember the shape or the structure of the neurons? You remember? There are 100 billion neurons. Do you remember or not? In that, what happens? You will find axon, dendrites. Okay, dendrites was what? They were just like branches, isn't it? They were like, means like this. Okay, means it's divided into different branches. Then afterwards you'll get an axon. Axon means what? Means just like a stem, you can say. And above the stem, what was there? Axon terminals. Terminals means what? Means the ending portion. So one neurons and another neurons, it will connect. Okay, where they will connect? Through the axon terminals and the dendrites. Okay, when they will connect, they produce an impulse, which is known as synapse. Okay, when they will connect with each other, what will happen? An impulse will happen. One is known as synapse, and after that, what will happen? Through that only, like you will be able to sense something. Okay, you will be able to feel something with the help of that synapse, or with the help of that what to say? With the help of that impulse, you will be able to feel something. That one is known as synapse, or else impulse also you can say. Okay, so this is about the sensation. Because of that, you are able to sense something. You are able to feel something. Understand? Did you understand? Yes, did you understand?
Ma'am.
You are able to feel something internally also as well as externally also. Internally in the sense like what? In the sense like, so to say, if you're having stomach ache, headache or stomach pain, okay, so who means your brain will tell you. Your brain will tell you what? Your brain will tell you to have, if your stomach is paining, if your stomach is aching, what will happen? Obviously, you'll have medicine, isn't it? Medicine, so in order to make it right, it's not it. Huh? It's not it. If your stomach is paining, what you will do? You'll just sit like this. You'll just sit still, or else you will do something. What will you do?
We'll take medicine.
Yes, you'll have to take medicine. So who will tell you that to take medicine? Your brain. Your brain will tell you
Yeah.
to take medicine. Okay, that one is happening or occurring internally. Okay, that one is known as internal. And externally, what you will do? You will take medicine or not?
Yeah.
So with the help of that, means your nervous system is responsible for it. Okay, do you understand? Yes, Sajarika, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in that way, the nervous system is responsible for the sensory system. Okay, and in this you'll find 5 different modalities. Modalities means what? Classification you can say, or else the different parts, or else a different division you can say in the nervous system. So with the help of that impulse, with the help of the nerve impulse, you'll be able to touch. Touch means what? If someone will touch you something somewhere in any parts of your body, you'll be able to feel it or not. So in that sense, you'll be able to feel it. Okay, balance. You'll be able to balance. Yeah, you'll be able to balance something in anything, whatever you do. Okay, taste. You will be able to feel the taste, whether the thing is tasty, or whether the thing is salty, or whether it's spicy or whatsoever. And the next is smell. With the help of smell means with the help of your nose. Okay, hearing with the help of your ears, vision with the help of your eyes. So this is the overview of the sensory system. You get it? Yes, did you get it? All? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sensation receptors. Okay, the receptors are what? Sensation receptor means when the neurons. Okay, you remember the neurons? You remembered or not? In the neurons, there was axon, dendrites. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So in this sensation receptors, what will happen? Same thing means they will send an impulse, the nerve impulse. Okay, they are made in such a way that they will send an impulse to other this one, neurons. Okay, and they are known as receptors. Because why it is known as receptors? So because they will receive an information from the environment. Okay, so this is about sensation receptors. Okay, did you get it,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone?
ma'am.
Okay. So the first thing we'll be discussing the eyes. Okay, you can see with the help of your eyes or not. Okay, so we will discuss about the eyes, vision. Okay, so with the help of your eyes, okay, you are able to differentiate or else able to know what thing is coming up to you and what are the things which is occurring like in the environment. Okay, so with the help of eyes, you are able to know all these things. So in the eyes, you will see that there are different parts. So, sight or vision is the capability of eyes to focus and detect images of visible light or photoreceptors in the retina of the eye. This means what? Means with the help of these eyes, okay, you are able to focus on something. You are able to detect something. You are able to know something. Whether the light is what to say, means it's dark or sparky or it's whatsoever. Okay, on photoreceptors are what? The light which is sensitive. Okay, sensitive cell or organ, it's known as photoreceptors. Okay, the light if it will be too sensitive for your eyes, say for example, if it will be too sensitive for your eyes, what will your eye do? Means your reflex will do. Your reflex, you might close your eyes, isn't it? Means,
Blink.
yeah, blink. You will close your eyes. Okay, if someone means in the dark, okay, means you are in a dark room. Say for example, you are in a dark room, and if someone is like suddenly like flashing the light or else on the light, what will you do? You will reflex it, isn't it? So what? So closing your eyes, you'll blink it. Means you will close your eyes. That one is known as reflex. Okay, so you can say it's photoreceptors also, means which is not good for your eyes, means sensitive for your eyes. Okay, and with the help of these eyes, you will be able to generate electrical nerve impulse. Okay, electrical nerve impulse such as like colors. You can differentiate the colors, whether the color is green, red, blue, all those. Okay, and hues means what? Same thing. Hues means quality of color, the color quality. Okay, and brightness, the brightness of the thing. Okay, the brightness, how much bright it is, how much dark it is. Okay, so in all these things, the eyes will help you in detecting it. Means the eyes will help you in what? Knowing it. Understand? So are you clear about this? Eyes. Means with the help of the eyes, you are able to see things. With the help of eyes, you are able to detect things. With the help of this, you are able to what to say, photoreceptors means which is sensitive for your which is light sensitive. Okay, which is light sensitive, which is not so good for your eyes. For example, as I've already said, if it is too much bright, okay, if it is too much bright or if it is too much sparky, uh, your reflex function will take place. Okay, and with the help of this eyes, you will be able to generate electrical nerve. Okay, say for example, impulses for varying colors. You will be able to know the different colors and the the brightness of the thing, and so on. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will discuss about the eyelid. Can you see this? This is called the eyelid. Can you see it or not?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the eyelid. So this eyelid, where does it lie? It will lie anteriorly. Anteriorly means what? Anterior, superior. I have already discussed. Anterior means what? Shanti, what is the meaning of anterior? Anterior means Anterior means what? I've already discussed.
In front of the body or nearest.
Yes, front, isn't
In
it?
front.
Yes, front. Posterior means back. I have discussed with you this thing from the very beginning. What happened? You all doesn't used to pay attention or what? Okay, anterior means front. Okay, this eyelid will lie at the front, and they will protect. Okay, they will protect your eyes. Okay, means which, and in this eyelid, what will you get? You will get that they will meet at the medial. Medial means what? They will meet at the medial and the lateral corner of the eye. Lateral corner means what? Means sideways. Okay, they lie at the sideways, or else sidewise. You can say means this side. Okay, and this eyelid they protect the eyes anteriorly. Anteriorly means what? They protect the eyes means at the front part. Okay, and where they are situated at the middle part, means this part. Okay, they are situated at the middle part and lateral corner of the eye. Lateral corner means what? Lateral means side. Okay, they are side or back side, you can say, means this side. They lie here, corner side. Okay, did you understand eyelids? Yes, did you understand or not? Eyelids.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is the eyelash. Okay, this one. Can you see it? Can you see it or not?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So this eyelash, okay, eyelash are what? Means they will project out, means they will come out from this part. Okay, from this part they will come out. This is known as eyelash. Okay, did you understand? Eyelids and eyelash. Afterwards, I'll ask you to show which one is eyelid, which one is eyelash. Is everyone clear? Only
Yes, ma'am.
only 1-2% are responding. Others, what happened? Quite. Mari, did you understand? Miracle, did you understand? Mai Chong, did you understand?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
So in the eyes, you will see eyelids and eyelash. Okay, eyelids are this one. Can you see it or not? The middle part. You can see. This is known as the eyelid. Okay, they lie in the middle. Means anterior. Means anteriorly means what? Front. They lie at the front. Okay, and they also protect the eyes anteriorly. Okay, and where it is situated, they lie here in the middle part. Okay, and in the middle part they are there, and where it is exactly located, it is exactly located in the lateral corner of the eye also. Okay, lateral means what? Side, or else you can say back side. It lies here. Okay, and eyelash are all this part, means they will project out, means they will come out from this part. Okay, now means border side, in the border side. Okay, are you clear about eyelids and eyelash?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is conjunctiva or conjunctiva, also you can say this part. Can you see it? This part, na, is known as conjunctiva. Means the lines in the surface area of your eyes. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
This one is known as conjunctiva. Okay, so this conjunctiva are what? They are a delicate membrane, means sensitive, you can say. Okay, means if you poke something or if you insert something in the conjunctiva, what will happen? Means it will pain, isn't it? Or else it might turn to red. Okay, it's very sensitive. Delicate means sensitive. Okay, it is a delicate membrane and the conjunctiva lines the eyelids and cover part of the outer surface of the eyeball. Means they lie at the surface area. Okay, below, bottom means surface. Okay, means top, you can say, means almost top part, that also where outer surface of the eyeball. Okay, they lie at the outer surface. This is your eyeball. Okay, and they lie at the outer surface of your eyeball. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is lacrimal glands. This is your lacrimal glands. Okay, this one, it lies inside. Okay, these lacrimal glands are what? Where are they located first? They are located at the above the lateral end of each side. Lateral end means side. Okay, remember here it will lie here, lateral, both sides, this lateral side. Okay, at each end means at each eye means end of the eye means this side will lie this lacrimal glands. Okay, so what these lacrimal glands do? They will release this one salt solution. Salt solution means what? Tears. Okay, that these lacrimal glands, they produce or they secrete tears. Okay, where? Into the anterior surface of the eyeball. Means this is your anterior surface. Isn't anterior means front? You remember, na? Anterior surface of the eyeball. Okay, through several small ducts. Through several small ducts means what? There is a duct inside your eye, isn't it? Means there's a small hole. If you see, you'll just get it. Okay, here.
Muscles.
Here you can see. Can you see this screen? Is it visible? Is it visible or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, through means through this it will come out. Okay, and your tears, like it will automatically come out because the lacrimal glands are responsible for releasing or else for secretion or for producing tears.
Ma'am, is it visible with naked eye?
Yes, you can see. You can see it through the mirror also.
Okay.
Okay. But this lacrimal glands you won't be able to see. Okay, it lies
Oh,
inside. I'm talking about
okay.
lacrimal glands.
Yeah.
Okay, these lacrimal glands, where they are located lateral side, means lateral means what? Side or else back side also you can say. Okay, these two sides, at each side means end side, end portion, this lacrimal glands, end portion. And what will they do? These lacrimal glands, they will help in producing tears. Okay, they will help in producing tears, and it is salty. Have you ever tasted your tears?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
sometimes.
Yeah, it's salty, isn't it? So because of this lacrimal glands, it's salty. Okay, shall we move to the next slide?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, next is lacrimal canaliculi. Okay, lacrimal canaliculi, this one. This part. Can you see it? Can you see it, this one?
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
two parts. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, this one is known as lacrimal canaliculi. Canaliculi. Okay. So, what will this lacrimal canaliculi do? The tears flush across the eyeball into the, means the tears, no? The tears, they will flush out. Okay, they will flush out from this lacrimal canaliculi into the lacrimal sac. This is the lacrimal sac. Okay, this part, can you see it or not? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
First, they will go to the lacrimal canaliculi. Okay, and the tears, they will flush out through this lacrimal sac. This is the sac. Okay, first you remember lacrimal gland, they will produce this one, tears. Okay, afterwards they will go towards this lacrimal canaliculi, they will flush out. Okay, this lacrimal canaliculi, they will flush out to where? To this lacrimal sac. Okay, are you clear? Is it clear to you, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next is lysozyme. Also, it is known as tear gland. Okay, lysozyme is what? It is an enzyme. If any words you will find as zyme, Z-Y-M-E, zyme. Okay, zyme, if anything you'll get with zyme, that one is known as an enzyme. Okay, so this enzyme, the name of this enzyme is lysozyme, which you will get in your tears. Okay, so what will they do? This lysozyme, they will destroy the bacteria. Okay, and it will protect your eyes. Okay, they will protect your eyes, and they will moisten or else they will lubricate it. Lubrication and moistening is almost, and lubricate means what? Slimy or else slippery, you can say. Okay, your eyes are always wet, isn't it?
Yes.
It's dry or what then? No, no. So because of this lysozyme, means an enzyme is here. There is an enzyme. So because of that enzyme, it helps your eyes to moisten it, to lubricate it. Okay, and it also protects your eyes, and it cleanses the eyes. Means it will clean the eyes. Okay, whatever dust particles or whatever is there, means this lysozyme, they helps in cleaning that. Okay, are you clear about lysozyme? At about 1 ml, okay, about 1 ml of tears is produced per day. Okay, and through which it is spreaded through blinking. Means you used to blink or not every day? Every now and then, every minute, every second, you blink or not? So your blinking, they have, what will they do? They will spread. They will spread it. Okay, are you clear, everyone, about lysozyme?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In exam, they might ask you, okay, what is the name of an enzyme which helps you in what? Cleaning the eyes and protecting the eyes, or else lubricating the eyes or moistening the eyes. What will you write?
Lysozyme.
Yes, lysozyme. Next is sclera. Okay, this is your sclera. This white portion. Can you see it? This white portion? Yes, can you see it or not? Respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, this is your sclera. Okay, and it's a thick. Thick means what? Fat, you can say. It is a thick, glistening. Glistening means what? It will glitter, means it will shine. It will, what to say? It will be a bit sparky. It will be a bit. Do you know the meaning of glitter or glistening? Means it will shine. Okay, it will shine. It doesn't mean it will be flashy or else it will be sparky. Not like that. Means, what to say? It will be a bit wet type. Okay, this sclera, they are a white connective tissue. Okay, and it is the white part of the eye. It is a thick white connective tissue. Do you remember? Not tissue. I have taught you connective tissue, Then what other tissues? Nervous tissue, muscular tissue. You remembered? Yes? Do you remember or not tissues? I have taught you. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, muscular tissue. Do you remember or not? I taught you. So this is a connective tissue. Okay, can you see this, students? Sclera. This sclera, okay, it is glistening and it is white connective tissue. It is white in color and it is made up of connective tissue. Connective tissue, you remembered or not? I've taught you, no? Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, muscular tissue. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
So this tissue is the connective tissue, and it is the anterior side. Anterior side means what? This is the front side of the eye, and it is white in color. Okay, this sclera. Okay, today we will discuss still about sclera.